Here we've got LG K11, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find it, pick General, scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and then click on About Phone. Now you have to open Software Info, and then hit build number 7 times. So just tap 7-fold on this tab, and as you can see now, you're a developer. So let me go back, and now just above the About Phone tab, you will notice developer options. Open it by tapping. Now click on OK to activate this developer options and confirm that you are aware of the responsibility that is going with it, and then you can use all these super advanced features and very useful options. So for example, you can enable strict mode here just by tapping on this switcher. You can disable USB audio routing, and then you can perform various of very advanced operations. And then if you'd like to switch off developer options, just click on this icon, and as you can see, they are no longer active. And if you would like to access them one more time, you will have to click on the switcher one more time, like again. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily unlock developer options on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.